Ever wondered why some women seem to have it all together? Shiny hair, glowing skin, and an energy that seems to never wane? Could there be a simple solution to many common health issues women face? Well, it turns out there might be, and it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Yes, you guessed it right. It's apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's commonly known, is a potent tonic with a multitude of benefits for women. So, what are these benefits? Let's delve in. First and foremost, apple cider vinegar is a fantastic aid in weight loss. It's packed with acetic acid, which can boost your metabolism, reduce water retention, and suppress your appetite. Imagine feeling full and satisfied after meals, with no late-night snack attacks. Secondly, apple cider vinegar can be a game-changer for your skin. It's rich in alpha-hydroxy acids that exfoliate and balance your skin, leaving it fresh and glowing. Imagine saying goodbye to expensive creams and hello to natural, radiant beauty. Thirdly, apple cider vinegar can help regulate blood sugar levels. It slows the rate at which food leaves your stomach and enters the lower digestive tract, meaning your body has more time to take up sugar into your bloodstream, and your blood sugar is more stable throughout the day. Imagine having steady energy levels and not experiencing those mid-afternoon crashes. Lastly, apple cider vinegar can support a healthy digestive system. It's a probiotic-rich food, which means it can help balance your gut bacteria and promote overall gut health. Imagine feeling light, healthy, and free from bloating or discomfort. In summary, 1 spoonful of apple cider vinegar daily can aid in weight loss, boost your skin health, regulate blood sugar levels, and support your digestive system. It's a simple, natural solution to many common health issues women face. So why not give apple cider vinegar a try? Incorporate it into your daily routine, and you might just find that this humble kitchen staple is your new secret weapon for health and vitality. Remember, the journey to wellness is a marathon, not a sprint. So take it 1 spoon at a time, and here's to your health. Always consult a healthcare professional before incorporating a significant amount of apple cider vinegar into your diet, especially if you have any health conditions or concerns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.